Depp is one of the most unusual and famous actors in Hollywood. He was born on the 9th of June 1963 in Owensboro, Kentucky, USA. Johnny's early life was full of problems. His family moved a lot, and his parents often argued. When he was 15 years old, his parents got divorced. This made his teenage life even more difficult. Johnny was not interested in school. He dropped out at the age of 15 and wanted to become a musician. He played guitar in local bands and performed at small shows. He loved music and dreamed of becoming a rock star. During this time, he also did small jobs to earn money. Life was hard, but he never gave up. In the early 1980s, Johnny moved to Los Angeles. There, he met actor Nicolas Cage, who told him to try acting. Johnny listened to the advice and started giving auditions. Soon, he got a role in the horror movie A Nightmare on Elm Street, 1984. That was his first step into Hollywood. He became really famous with the TV show 21 Jump Street in 1987. Girls loved his look, and he became a teen idol. But Johnny didn't want to be just a pretty face. He wanted serious roles. So, he started working in different and strange movies. He played unique characters like Edward Scissorhands, a man with scissors instead of hands. That movie made him a respected actor. In the 2000s, Johnny's career reached new heights. He played Captain Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean series. That role made him world famous. People loved his funny and crazy pirate style. He won many awards and was nominated for the Oscars. Even today, fans remember him most as Captain Jack. But Johnny's life was not perfect. He had problems with relationships and was in the news for fights with his ex-wife Amber Heard. The court case between them became very popular. In the end, the court supported Johnny, and his fans showed him lots of love and support. Apart from acting, Johnny also loves music and art. He plays guitar and performs with his band. He also does charity work and helps children in hospitals. Even after so many ups and downs, Johnny never stopped doing what he loves. Johnny Depp's life teaches us that no matter how hard your life is, if you follow your passion and work hard, success will come. He is not just an actor, he is an artist, a fighter, and a legend of Hollywood.